So naisip ko na mag-free clinic today or ngayong kasagsagan ng lindol kasi marami talagang mga victims ng lindol na kailangan nila ng medical services. Like ganito, ang daming bata na may sakit. So we really need to serve them, the community, especially na ako ay isang pediatrician. Kailangan talaga nila ng free medications and also free check-up. Mararamdaman talaga sa community na hindi natin sila pinapabayaan. Especially sa kaming mga nasa health services, we need to really feel them na pinapaalagaan natin talaga yung kalusugan nila.
That's why my friend, the pediatrician, Dr. Cabrera, and I decided to hold a free consultation services here in NorthMed. Para po, at the same time, aside for free consultation services, we can also give medicines, other relief goods also.